Hello guys, today I will show you how to get rid of this widgets thing right here. On the Acer Nitro 5, Microsoft, hold up, let me find it. Microsoft 365 on the Windows 11. So let me show you how to delete this widgets, aka weather thing, in the news. So first, if you're on computer, this is what you're supposed to do. And you can do this for the Microsoft only. So on your mouse, click the right button, taskbar settings. Now it shows here. What you want to do is, since it's on, look at the widgets on my screen. The one on the taskbar, not on the settings. See, it disappeared. Now look at the front of me. You want to know how to do that. Okay. So, at widgets, put your mouse all the way here when it says on. Then click on it. And there you go. It's off. And thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. And see you again.